legacy as a cricketer, his legacy as a captain, outstanding.
As a captain, he's been one of India's most successful captains. He's a captain that has been loved throughout his journey.
Dhoni finishes off in style, a magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years, and it is an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Today there are young men in India, saying, a lot of young girls in India, saying, if Dhoni could do it, we could. And I think that will remain his lasting legacy.
Dhoni is the most destructive batsman.
He changed the fate of Indian cricket. I think Dhoni is the biggest legend Indian cricket's ever had.
So Dhoni, I love you, Dhoni.
So I guess we're moving on. Really thought this was do or die. So I guess we're moving on. Really thought this was you and I. Fourth floor, Strawberry Hill. First time I said it, don't know how you feel. Said you were still learning to love yourself. Kiss on my cheek, really stung like hell. Ooh, yes, I've been away for a minute. You can't say my heart was never in it. Please don't blame me when you're the one who did it. Feel like I'm going crazy the way that we living. Remember laughing the night away. Your lips touched mine and my heart would race. Never thought that I'd be here without you. Never thought that I'd begin to doubt you. But things change, feelings change, people change too. We don't say I love you like we used to. Done waiting on you to change your mind. Done second guessing and wasting time. I thought that you'd be the best thing about me. You said that you think you're better without me now. Deep like daggers, but make me feel so alive. And my heart burns like a dying ember as darkness closes in the night. Just give me one more glimpse of you, my dear. I promise we'll be fine, we'll be fine. I can see the pain you hide behind those broken eyes, and your words cut deep like daggers, but make me feel so alive. And my heart burns like a dying ember as darkness closes in the night. Just give me one more glimpse of you, my dear. I promise we'll be fine, we'll be fine. Since we spoke, I can't keep track of things. Brain been frozen, those memories that you fade. Do I miss you? Why you keep asking me? It's obvious I do, it's obvious that I've been hurting, but we can't go back to what it was. One thing that's for certain, pulled the curtain over my eyes, and I will see in due time that you were running from. Sorry I couldn't save you, love. Sorry that I gave too much and you gave up on us. And another night, another story left untold. On the run, so far from home. I can see the pain you hide behind those broken eyes, and your words cut deep like daggers, but make me feel so alive. And my heart burns like a dying ember as darkness closes in the night. Just give me one more hide behind those broken eyes. And your words cut deep like daggers, but make me feel so alive. And my heart burns like a dying ember as darkness closes in the night. Just give me one more glimpse of you, my dear. I promise we'll be fine, we'll be fine. I can see the pain you hide behind those broken eyes. And your words cut deep like daggers, but make me feel so alive. And my heart burns like a dying ember as darkness closes in the night. Just give me one more glimpse of you, my dear. I promise we'll be fine, we'll be fine.
Got her waiting on the west and the sweet in the hills. Bad bitch, but she always in the fields. Popping that pussy for any. I ain't the plug, but I'll give you plenty. Drown my feelings in the high seat. I ain't looking for no wifey. Chasing bread like the whole loaf. So dollar signs, all that I see. I do not fuck with the lames. I do not fuck with the fakes. Putting in all of this work. Tell me how long it gon' take. Always pulling up on time. You always pull up on me late. I know you ain't work a job, but somehow you busy all day. Now you got me suspicious. Say it's none of my business. Tell me how far I gotta go so I can go and get it. I'm a CT boy, but I dream of Cali. Wake up, roll up with my morning coffee. Came through late with the brain like a zombie. Now tell me what you know about me. Got her waiting on the west and the sweet in the hills. Bad bitch, but she always in the fields. Popping that pussy for any. I ain't the plug, but I'll give you plenty. Drown my feelings in the high seat. I ain't looking for no wifey. Chasing bread like the whole loaf. So dollar signs, all that I see. Got no love from this bitch. Got no love, I'ma quit. Games you been playing are not so apparent. Wildin' in public, no, I ain't embarrassed. You spent forever with me, you'll be cherished. Say you got baggage, but baby, I'll carry it. Making me dinner, make me wanna marry it. Skate off in the night in a off-white chariot. Whip full of smoke, 30 on the merit. Fuck it, I'm going slow. Hoping the 12 ain't pull me over. I should drive sober, I should drive Rovers. I don't learn lessons like I don't do homework. Drop me up and I think I'm getting closer. Know what's going down when I'm kissing on your shoulder. Tell me stop playing and I'm screaming out no go. Got her waiting on the west and the sweet in the hills. Bad bitch, but she always in the fields. Popping that pussy for any. I ain't the plug, but I'll give you plenty. Drown my feelings in the high seat. I ain't looking for no wifey. Chasing bread like the whole loaf. So dollar signs, all that I see. I don't wanna do this again, but there you go lying again. I should've just fucked with your friends. Maybe I should blow and go and make M's. Maybe time this ends. Maybe I don't need friends. Maybe I don't need sleep. You got my heart and it be yours the key. Got her waiting on the west and the sweet in the hills. Bad bitch, but she always in the fields. Popping that pussy for any. I ain't the plug, but I'll give you plenty.
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been
भांगड़ा पा न सका। आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।